Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you. This one is a little eclectic style journal in the same style as I was doing the last couple of journals. It will be listed in my shop on KoFi, and it will be shipped with tracking. Let me give you the measurements. So it measures 7 by 4, has one signature, 32 pages front and back, and there's lots of little flip pages. Right, so I've used all sorts of different things, just hence why I'm calling it eclectic, because there's no real theme apart from the fact that there's butterflies throughout. So I've just got this lace trim as a closure, and you can see it's pretty much it's only the centre couple of pages that aren't decorated. Everything else is decorated. I've left that for journaling. So here we've got a book page pocket with a tag. The tag is from ARTYmaze, and it is from the Tag Galore kit. This is from the journal Bolter, and the butterflies ARTYmaze. This is from the Old Design Shop. You will find a whole list of people listed below in the description box. That is from the Innkeeper. Here we've just got a little tag that I made, images from Ruby and Pearl. This is from the Old Design Shop. Yeah, you'll find a whole list of people. Love that paper. I think that's actually from, who is that from? Oh, why have I done that? There's actually a pocket there. Yeah, there's a pocket there, little, but that has to go like that now because that's too big. Oh, we'll just tuck that in there, shall we? Yes. I'll just keep the paper clip there, just in case. So yeah, we've got a little pocket there. What I was saying was I'm talking about 60 different things at the same time here. Everything's jumping in and out of my head. The list below is from the digital designers that I generally use the most of. And then what I was going to say was this backing paper is from Rachel Bella Crafts or Angela Kerr from the Garden Story journal kit. Right, I'm going to try and keep them like on track now. This is a freebie from my KoFi Shop. This background paper, we can't really see it now, is actually a little kit in my shop, so check that out. This is Ruby and Pearl. Done some edge punching there. This is actually a printable on the back of there. You can barely see it now. I don't know who it's from. Might be mine, I'm not sure. Little, oh yeah, that actually comes off, doesn't it? Yeah, I wondered why that paper clip was there. Little embossed piece, butterfly, number label, little tag here. This is from the Innkeeper, and then that's a ARTYmaze tag in the background and a Ruby and Pearl image there. That's a freebie from my KoFi Shop. This paper is, what was that? It's like floral, French floral background papers or something. But you'll find a list to my digitals and my freebies below as well. And also any other journals that I have for sale, which I do have one. The one before this one is also for sale. This is from the Old Design Shop. Now I meant to just glue that on there, and I've created a pocket that was supposed to be a flip out, but I messed that up. I've been watching loads and loads of videos today, and saving them all, like, so I can go back and see them. I need to actually pull some of this away. It's too much on there. This was an actual craft with me a couple of weeks back. Just making some tags, so I thought we'll pop that in there. These papers here are Ruby and Pearl. Get rid of that. This is from the journal Bolter. This, a little bit of embossed paper there. This is from Ruby and Pearl. That flips out like so. And we got papers in there, tucked in behind there. That's from the Old Design Shop. Here we've got a little pocket, and that was just a scrappy piece, and then that's a number label from the Old Design Shop as well. That's from the journal Bolter. Was the journal bought, and then something happened and her account got stolen or something, I can't remember, and she's now the journal Bolter. It was someone else that told me that because I couldn't find them, or someone else couldn't find them way back last year. Little tag here. This is one of my papers. That was actually a freebie for that would work well with, what kit was that? The wildflower kit that I have. Innkeeper freebie on my page. That's one of my kits. ARTYmaze, and that goes all there. Let me have another flip here. I like doing all these flips and flaps, flippy flappy things. So last night, I'll tell you a little story. I was in here crafting and I thought I heard something at the back. It was very late. So I texted my husband and said, "Are you outside?" And he said, "No." Just the fact that I can hear banging just now, and it's late. Anyway, I said to him, "Go and have a look at the back." Now, at the back of me is a little cul-de-sac. 10 houses, maybe. Hearts on a string. The paper to journal on. Anyway, we heard something. My husband heard something. My dogs heard something. We found out today somebody had been down and stole the lady down the back. Her kid's bike was just out the front. Now it's a really quiet little area down the back, and it's very dark down there because the street lights are not working down their end of the road. That's that paper. That's a freebie on my KoFi Shop. Yeah, so there'd been some bikes had been stolen, like push bikes. So there's a thief about. It's been reported to the police, and the lady across the road, her Ring doorbell caught it all, and they've got a description of the person and what time it was. But I knew there was something going on down there. I knew it. I hear everything, obviously, and because the weather's nice, that's a little flip with a pocket on that page. Yeah, and because the weather's nice, the windows are open, so you hear everything. So that's my gossip. I'll probably put this on the title, like flip through the junk journal, a little bit of gossip. I do like to hear other people when they're telling us like either what they've done in their day or something that's going on. Gaila Agostinelli, I love hearing her little stories. There's a little pocket there, and it's opened at the back. So yeah, if there's anything that you need to know that I haven't mentioned because I've been telling you gossip, then ask away in the description box. Not the description box, the comment section. Oh, I need to put something in there, which I shall do. Not right now, but I'm going to write myself a note. Got a pen. Got a bit of paper. Back page filler. I'll leave that there, and hopefully I'll know what I'm talking about in the morning. So I'll put something in there. It'll probably just be some like French ephemera and something in there, because there is actually bits and bobs. There's all that left as well, so I'll set that up there. Then here we've got a pocket. This is one of my papers. That's an ARTYmaze piece, and I think that is ARTYmaze as well. And that goes in there. That is the back. And that is that. So yeah, that's my journal, that's my gossip. That's my gossip. Done my video for Wednesday, which is tomorrow. I'm going to release that in the early hours of the morning. Been playing around with envelopes. The other day it was the paper bag. I'm going to try and... We've all got things like paper bags and envelopes, so it's something that you can create quite a lot of projects with. So I'm going to see how many I can get done in the next couple of weeks. So there we go. That's my little journal. That's my gossip. I will speak to you all soon, and this will be listed in my shop. The link will be below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.